Okay, so hi everyone. My name is Domi, and today basically is the first day of 2024 as we all celebrate. And so, first of all, I want to wish everyone a happy new year, and hopefully, this year is going to be a new one, a brighter one, and good for all your plans. So, okay, so the point for today's video, so I'm starting this video journal that I want to share with the whole world, and the basic idea is I will just talk without script for about 8 minutes or so, and then wrap up from it. So these journals will be going to be about my startup journey. So I recently decided I want to leave my work in an R&D institutions and then focus on building things based on the technology that we have uh, around us today. And then these technologies, I believe, going to be very useful for the future, and I want to have more time with this first-hand experience. So this business that I'm building, a startup, a technology ecosystem startup that is focusing on how we can drive more and more enterprise people and also community in general to go toward a world, an economy that is digitalized, decarbonized, and decentralized. Basically, a D3 world kind of visions. And then to go toward that, to realize these ambitions, these goals, we want it to be utilizing what we have already. And then out of many of the existing technologies, I pick up several that is close to my heart, those that I have experience with, and then we come with a technology stack based on the A, B, C, D, E, and IoT. Um, A is for artificial intelligence, AI, and B is for blockchain, C is for computations, computing power, communications, things like that, computers basically, and then D is data, E is energy, and IoT is the Internet of Things. So the basic idea is that we want to enable ways of stacking or building together these different technologies to realize the goal that we mentioned earlier, the digitalized, decarbonized, and decentralized world. So I'm starting this. I have a lot of to learn, and then because I also started a company, there's a lot of finance things to figure out, and there's also the technology side of things, and then also the business side of things. And I've been doing things, building businesses in the traditional sense for quite a while, and I've been doing several AI projects before, big data project, computational science, and blockchain is part of the new additions to what I'm doing. And then also the IoT part is also rather new because previously I worked with stuff, yes, somewhere you can consider as a prior to IoT, say internet connected and controlled robots or printers, 3D printers, but IoT is a whole different level because you want this device to communicate with another device, not just with you. And then the blockchain part is the most interesting part of all because it was a hype before when it was and used only basically for cryptocurrencies, but nowadays this blockchain have goes toward trying to replace many of the way we do digital transactions and the way we do digital record, digital ledger, and things like that. And coming in the future, I mean, this blockchain technology going to be even and more important and demanded by enterprise solutions and many others. Well, for several reasons. One is the cryptographic nature of it allows more security, and at the same time you can allow this security while having transparency and trustless system, and also in the way it's in decentralized, it helps the system to be more robust. And then it also in the current fashion of the development, there is still some drawbacks, say transactions per seconds and so on, that is not so rapid or fast enough, but the cost is now going down, and then the transaction speed is now moving up, and then there's a lot of blockchain protocols environments that have been developed by the people and the community allows people to start building many different applications on top of this blockchain. And then that's where things gonna matter a lot, because now you want to put AI on blockchain, data on blockchain, you can put many other kind of things. And then the focus here is to connect both the digital world with the real world, the physical world, how to connect the two, and then at the same time exploring different kind of unique applications. Say there's been several instances. Say there are many projects that focus on proof of green energy, that basically combines all the things that I mentioned earlier: the AI, the blockchain, the computation, data, energy, and IoT. And then this is the direction that I want to take the whole company toward. And then, of course, the project requires a lot of contributors. So we want to open up also these discussions to help people that might have some ideas of several projects that can be connected. We can collapse and then build these things together toward a better directions. So I'm staying here in Shanghai, in China, and then the blockchain community here is not as well developed or well groomed as in the US, in Germany, but there is a growing number of people that working on blockchains aside from just the computational mining power that was basically mainly in China before. But now this has been more distributed throughout the world, and then now people start to focus on building applications, not just the mining power to secure the whole network. And then exciting future, of course. And then this is a new year. I wish that in the coming year, this year of 2024, I can continuously do this on an everyday basis, hopefully, and then publish it with the community, and then trying to just connect, while at the same time sharing what I've been developing, interesting projects that I found throughout the network, interesting tasks or interesting tools that I discover and learn, and things like that. So the opportunity is wide open. A lot of people and also government institutions in China, especially in Asia, are more open to contribute more toward this development of blockchain and how it relates with the use case that can transform a lot of the existing industry that we are facing nowadays. So why digitalization, decarbonize, and then decentralization? Because the three combined together will be the defining factor for our 21st century. And believing so, it's the right direction to go. We are just in the first few decades of 21st century, so there's a long way to go, and hopefully we can together build great things in 2024 and 2030s and moving forward in these years ahead. Okay, my time is 8 minutes up, so have a great time, and then see you tomorrow.